The chapter is quadratic equations for standard 10. Now coming to the age problems. A girl is twice as old as her sister. 4 years hence, the product of their ages will be 160 years. Find their present ages. So let the present age of the sister is equal to x, because the girl is compared to the sister. So we have to assume the sister's age is x. The girl's age is twice as older as her sister. So the girl will be 2x. Now 4 years hence. So after 4 years, both the ages of both girl and the sister will increase by 4. So this will be x plus 4 and here 2x plus 4. Now 4 years hence, the product of their ages will be 160 years. So product of their ages is equal to 2x plus 4 into x plus 4 is equal to 160. So this will be 2x squared plus 8x plus 4x 12x plus 16 is equal to 160. So 2x squared plus 12x minus so this is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 72 is equal to 0. So this will be x squared 12 into 6 is 72. So plus 12x minus 6x minus 72 is equal to 0. So x into x plus 12 minus 6 into x plus 12 is equal to 0. This is, both are minus, so I have taken the minus out. So you get x minus 6 into x plus 12 is equal to 0, from which you get x is equal to 6 or minus 12. Again, x is the age, it cannot be negative, so ignore x is equal to minus 12 since age cannot be negative. Now we will take x is equal to 6. So the girl's age will be, when x is equal to 6, girl's age will be 2x 12. So the sister's girl's age is 12 and x is equal to 6. So yeah, so sister's age will be 6. Here the age of a man is twice the square of the age of his son. So let the present age of the son be x. So age of the man is twice the square of the age of his son. So square is x squared. It is twice. So 2x squared. 8 years hence. So 8 years hence, both will become x plus 8 and 2x squared plus 8. The age of the man will be, so 2x squared plus 8 is equal to 4 years more, 3 times the age of his son. So 3 times the age of the son is 3 into x plus 8. Then it is 4 years more. So plus 4. Now this is the equation. Now we will simplify this. 2x squared plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 24 plus 4. So 2x squared minus 3x, then 28 minus, when it comes this side it is minus 28. So minus 20 is equal to 0. So 2 into 20 is 40. So 40 we can take it as 8 into 5. 8 and 5 you get 3. So we'll write this as 2x squared minus 8x plus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. So 2x into x minus 4 plus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So you get 2x plus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 0, from which you get x is equal to minus 5 by 2 and 4. Now again we have to ignore x is equal to minus 5 by 2 because it is age. Ignore x is equal to minus 5 by 2 because age cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to 4. So father's age is equal to 2x squared. So x squared is 16. 16 into 2, 32. So the son is 4 and father is 32. Seven years ago, Varun's age was 5 times the square of Swati's age. So we'll start with, and then 3 years hence, the Swati's age will be 2/5 of the Varun's age. Find the present ages. So let's assume, let age 7 years ago of Varun's age is 5 times the square of Swati's age. So Swati's age is equal to x. So Varun will be 5 times square of, so 5 x squared. Now 3 years hence, so this is 7 years ago, so the present age will be x plus 7 and 5x squared plus 7. Now 3 years later, so this will be x plus 7 plus 3, 10, 5x squared plus 10. Adding 3 years to both. Now we will form the equation. Swati's age will be, so x plus 10 is equal to 2 by 5, 2/5 of Varun's age. Varun's age is 5x squared plus 10. So we will simplify. 5x plus 50 is equal to 10x squared plus 20. So it is 10x squared plus minus 5x. So 20 minus 50 will be minus 30 is equal to 0. So this can be written as 2x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So factorizing this, 6 into 2, 12. So for 12 we can write it as 4 into 3, 12. So we'll write this as 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x into x minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So you get x is equal to 2 and this will become minus 3 by 2. Again ignore x is equal to minus 3 by 2. The same reason you can write. So x is equal to 2. So now we have to find the present age. So when x is equal to 2, Swati's age will be 2 plus 7, 9. And Varun's age will be 5x squared plus 7. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. So the answer is 9 and 27. The sum of the ages of a man and his son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 4 times the man's age at that time. Find their present ages. So let's assume ages of man and his son is 45 years. So let us assume the age of the son is x. So the man will be, both together it is 45. So man is 45 minus x. Now 5 years ago, 5 years ago, the ages will be 45 minus x minus 5. So that will become 40 minus x, and this will become x minus 5. Now it is given 5 years ago the product of their ages. So 40 minus x into x minus 5 is equal to 4 times the man's age at that time. So it is 4 into 40 minus x. So this will be 40x minus 200 minus x squared plus 5x is equal to 160 minus 4x. So this is minus x squared. So 40 plus 5, 45. Then this will come here. So that will become 49x. Then minus 200. This will come this side, and that is minus 360 is equal to 0. From which you get x squared minus 49x plus 360 is equal to 0. This is the equation. So factorizing, you get x squared, 40 and 9 we can take. So x squared minus 40x plus minus 9x plus 360 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 40 minus 9 into x minus 40 equal to 0, from which you get x minus 9 into x minus 40 equal to 0. So you get x is equal to 9 and 40. So here both are positive, so we have to take both. Now we have to find their ages. So when x is equal to 9, man will be 45 minus 9, that is equal to 36, and son will be 9. So when x is equal to 40, man is equal to 45 minus 40 is 5, and son is equal to 40. So this option, this is not possible. Man as 5 and son as 40 is not possible. Therefore, your answer is ages of father and son is 36 and 9.